Circulation in Sec 7 is located just under your palm in the middle of your wrist crease. Right about here. Now there are a lot of sensitive nerves and blood vessels here, so gentle treatment is best. Activate this point by tapping the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shen, I suggest you use the round end, and it might look like this. Now find and activate circulation in Sec 7 on your other hand.